outdated Samsung phones. So this phone is a Galaxy Core 2, and if I'm being honest, this was my actually second ever smartphone. And it's actually not that bad phone. I mean, it was not that bad phone at the time. It's horrible now. It's running, you guessed it, really old version of Android, which is Android 4.4.2 KitKat. And of course, this is not the version you want your phone to run on because, of course, it's outdated. They don't get that much security anymore. It's not so secure. And also, like, you cannot really download a lot of apps on it, which is not good. So to fix this, our good XDA developers have come up with a really good idea: custom ROMs. And that is what we're going to do now. So let's get into it. And today, this is gonna be kind of tutorial of how we do it, how you should do it, and how easy it actually is to custom ROM your phone. But first of all, you have to keep in mind that you're gonna need root and custom recovery. If you don't know how to do that, I'll make another tutorial about it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. So, yeah, I'm just gonna turn it off just like this, shut down, and then we wait till it shuts down. So in this case, I have a home button, Galaxy, and yeah, I'm gonna use volume up, home button, and power button, just like this. So 3, 2, 1, go. Once you feel the vibration, you should just release. There we go. Okay, we are in a TWRP, custom recovery. So now be sure to charge your phone at least like 70-80%, because if your phone dies halfway through, things will go wrong and your phone will probably just break, meaning it will be just a useless piece of junk. It won't be useful anymore. It won't turn on. You won't be able to do anything on it. So, like, you know, I warned you, but as you can see, I'm not charged. I'm on 19% in fact. So please don't behave like me. Don't be like me. Charge your phone. Okay. So first of all, I'm just gonna wipe, and like, yeah, it's necessary because if you're upgrading, you'll probably just be stuck in boot loop, endless boot loop. That's not what you want. And in this phone, I will be installing CyanogenMod, which is kind of dead, but if I at least be able to update this guy to Android Lollipop, which is Android 5, I'll still be able to use YouTube and some apps on it. And on KitKat, I'm not able to do so. So I'm just gonna hit install, and I'm just gonna choose this guy right here, CM 12.1. So there are newer versions of Android available on this one, but procedure is exactly the same. You have to do everything. So yeah, and this is mostly for Samsung phones, because if you have different phones, process might differ just a bit, but like, other than that, it would be still fine and it would be still similar. You might ask, can you do it on an iPhone? No, you cannot do any of these things on an iPhone. And this is just some kind of perk of Android. But like, iPhones have much longer OS support, so you cannot do it on iPhone, you cannot do it on iPod, you cannot do it on iPad. By the way, I switched to iPhone. I was an Android user. I still kind of use Android, but like, my main phone is now iPhone because I just like iPhone now randomly. And oh wait, our phone is finished. I'm gonna wipe cache, cause just in case. Let's just wait. Come on, man, why are you taking so long to do? Okay, there we go. And we're just gonna reboot the system. This was actually really fast. I actually didn't expect it to boot up so quickly. Okay, let's get that OG micro USB cable. Get in there. Okay. Very good. It's charging. I'm gonna go through setup real quick. I don't care about Wi-Fi. No. I think my old SIM card is in here. Yeah. No, no, I mean, I don't care. I'm not gonna be installing anything, and I'm just making a video, okay? Start. Boom, there we go. There we go, man. Okay, so let's go to settings here. Oh, come on. Poor iPhone. About phone, okay. Android 5.1.1, and this is legit Android 5, Android Lollipop. And I bet ya I'm gonna unlock a forgotten memory of playing Flappy Bird Android Edition. Flappy Android or something, I don't know. I remember playing this all the time back in like 2016 or something. So, yeah, this is really easy. It doesn't come with pre-installed. It doesn't come pre-installed with Google Apps though, but you can always install G-Apps. If you want me to show you how to do it, just comment down below. I will definitely make a video about it. If I get at least one comment, that will be a video next day, I'm telling you. Do it if you want to know it. If you don't, just don't, okay? So, see you next time. Till then, goodbye.